Hey, what's up with you guys? This is Irfan here with Incubator.com and welcome to another live trading session. We are starting our day with the EURUSD, but before that, it's way better to go to Forex Factory to see if there's any fundamental news, because we got to be careful with that. And I heard that there's so many fundamental news coming up this week, so it's way better to be moving cautiously. Okay, so today is 31st and let's go to apply setting. Okay, so right now we have, like, for CAD, for USD 745, FOMC member jurors picks 1040. Yeah, there's nothing that can actually bother us, at least me, because I'm always in and out of the market very quickly. So this is really good for me, actually. And right now it's 8:28 a.m. so the New York market is opening in an hour. But let's just analyze the EURUSD to see what's going on. I'm in a 30-minute time frame right now, and I just drew some order blocks and support and resistance levels. So for example, this is a support level that we have right here, but beside that, I'm going to identify the liquidity. So we have liquidity right here, we have liquidity right here. And if I want to show you the time frame, we are in New York session right now. So New York session started 30 minutes ago. This is London session that needs to kind of hit the London's high, and this is Asia session right here. Okay, but right now we are in New York session. So one good thing right now, before we start anything, is this beautiful order block in a 30-minute time frame. Look at this beautiful order block in a 30-minute time frame. This is a really good one because, as you can see, guys, we had a huge spike towards upside, and this red candle is the last one that it kind of happened. But if I want to be more accurate, it's this one right here. Okay, so, and we have a little bit of resistance level, oh sorry, not here, here, that we got to pay attention to. But at the same time, we have this order block right here. This is our order block. This is our resistance level. This is our order block. This is a high probability order block. The reason is that we had a huge spike towards upside and the price never tapped into the zone again, so that's why it left a gap. The price came back, tapped into the zone, bullish engulfing candle. Here we are. Okay, so I'm kind of in a position right now with a very tight stop loss, but we got to be careful with this resistance level. We got to see how the price reacts. But so many people are going to sell around this area, so it means that the price is probably trying to reach this level to grab all the liquidity and then reverse. Okay, so this is how I took it. Yep, this is how I took it right here. I probably can take it one up to here because we have a really clear order block here. It probably does a little bit of correction and then it goes up. But even here is our golden zone in a 30-minute time frame, because the price dropped, it did a little bit of correction, and then it's probably dropping again. But again, it's kind of a risky trade, but because of this order block here, and because the market is trying to create higher highs and higher lows, I wanted to take a long position, and that's the reason I took it. Otherwise, look at these gaps here, look at all these gaps here, these gaps right here. See, these are all these gaps that need to be filled in, and that's why I'm kind of I don't know, I'm saying that it's going to change the direction of the market. And with this trend line, it broke this trend line, kind of respected it. It's probably going up, down, and then it's going up. But Fibonacci wise, it's a really good zone. This zone that I just kind of drew with this light blue order block shows that we are actually in the golden zone right now for 30 minutes. But for 15 minutes, the same thing is happening. See, I'm kind of up right now, and the TP is probably going to get smashed, and this is going to be my TP right here. But let's see how the price reacts here, because as I said, if you draw your Fibonacci from here to here, you'll understand that this is exactly the 50% that it's touching right now. This is exactly the 50%. Let me what's happening here? Yep, it all depends on this level here, 50% and 60%. If I see any reversal momentum, then I'm going to definitely close my trade. But you know, it's a good one so far, so good. I'm just gonna wait for it. If it reversed, then I probably close my trade. So if I go to 5 minutes, you see that I could have taken my trade somewhere around here, but I was sleeping, right? You know, I just woke up like 10 minutes ago. So and I know that we have these potential order blocks right here and tons of gaps above these levels. So that's why I confidently took my trade. This strong resistance right here kind of tempted me because everybody is going to sell here, so I'm pretty sure the market is kind of going up, stop out every buyers and sellers, and then go up. Okay, so I can actually move my stop loss to this level. Okay, I can move my stop loss to this level, and it's gonna be a really better risk to reward ratio trade. That's a really good one. Okay, TPS man. I didn't want to take that. Oh man. Oh shit. That's fine. That's fine, man. That's fine. That was a good trade. I closed it here, guys. I closed it here. I didn't want to close it. It was my mistake. Okay, so I think we are done for the day. How long? Like 6 minutes? 7 minutes? We still haven't started. Okay, anyways, that's a good one, guys. As I said, everybody's going to sell right here. So the reason is that they put their sell limit here, their stop loss here, and their TP somewhere around here. And that's why the price always tries to push a little bit higher to stop them out first and then change the direction of the market. And that is exactly what's happening. And this is my FTMO account, guys. This is a 70,000 pound FTMO account, which is now 71,195. As you can see, so far I started this account on 20 and 31st, which is yesterday, like you know, last night. And then so far so good. I'm up 1,195 pounds plus this trade that I just took right now. I didn't want to close it right now, guys. I wanted to leave a runner, but that's crazy. That's crazy. That's totally fine. But yeah, this is what I told you guys. This is a very good order block here. But for now, if you wanted to trade this, you know, if you wanted to take a position in this trade, I would recommend to take 2 trades, close one of them 1-to-1 like this, and the other one just leave a runner all the way up to here. And then when it smashed your first TP, move your stop loss to break even. So right now it's a totally risk-free, you know, 1-to-100 risk reward ratio. So it's a very good strategy. But I only took 1 trade because I was already up last night. I didn't want to screw up the profits and everything. And that was a good one. That was a good one in 5 minutes when I woke up. So let's see what happens later. But yeah, guys, I mean, when I take a profit, I usually end my live trading session because there's no point to kind of, you know, taking another trade. When you're a winner, just, you know, be done for the day. Be done for the day. You don't have to trade anymore. And you know what I mean, just try to, you know, stay away from the market, come back to the next day. But if you want, I can show you the analysis of GBPUSD as well to see what's going on here. Sorry. Yep. GBPUSD. GBPUSD is a good one. Look at this. Look at this. If you use the Fibonacci tool, you see that when the price went up and came back, it tapped into the 50%, the golden zone, gave us bullish engulfing candle, and that would be a really good trade if I wanted to take it from here all the way to here. 1-to-2 risk to reward ratio trade, and it happened 10-15 minutes ago. I was awake, but we were trading EURUSD, guys. Monday blessed us. And then this order block here is a very strong one. but it's already tapped into, so we're not going to deal with that. This order block is what's left, so we are just going to wait for the price to tap into this zone, and then we can use our Fibonacci to see how long it takes for the price to kind of come back to this level, and then we take our profit, sorry, we take our long position, because it's definitely, you know, the market is revamping, because last week the market kind of crashed. Look at the price here, and now it's trying to push the price towards upside and filling all these gaps here, and this is what it's trying to do in my opinion. And this is another order block in 30-minute time frame. We can just wait for the price to kind of come back to tap into the zone, which is this level right here, a 50% zone most likely, and then we can take our long position exactly right here. Okay, this is how it looks. Yep, so far so good, guys. So far so good. If you have any question, drop your comment here. I'm not gonna just wait for this to come back to the zone, but I'm just analyzing it for you to kind of get you prepared for that. But if you have any question, drop your comment here. You know where to find me. Thank you so much for watching this video. And by the way, if you want to trade completely hands-free and you don't want to get involved in the market and you want to gain consistent profits in a gold chart, go grab smartincubator.com. So this is how it actually looks, and we have started this account on January 21st, but right now we are up $463. This is our test account to see how it's performing. It's crushing it right now. As you can see, today's 31st. It took 2 trades. It was profit in total, and that's why we are up 4.6% in less than 2 weeks. So this is a really good one, guys. If you don't want to trade yourself and you just want to give it to a robot to do that for you, I highly recommend you to go grab that license, because our servers are getting filled up quickly. And if you have any question regarding that, then drop your comment here. I personally get back to you. Thank you so much, and I'm out.